In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a wallpaper to Firefox in just a few simple steps. If you want to personalize your browser and make your new tab page look cleaner, nicer, or just more like your style, this is a quick and easy way to do it. And before we jump in, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open Firefox and go to a new tab page. This is the page where you usually see shortcuts, search, and Firefox recommendations. Once the new tab page is open, look toward the bottom right corner of the screen. You'll see a Customize button there. Go ahead and click on that. When the customization menu opens, you should see an option to add an image. Click on Add Image to begin choosing your wallpaper. Now Firefox will open your file browser so you can select the picture you want to use. Browse through your files and find the image you want to set as your wallpaper. Once you've selected it, click Open. Firefox will apply the image to your new tab page right away, and that's it. Your Firefox wallpaper has now been added successfully. You can now enjoy a more personalized browsing experience every time you open a new tab. If this video helped you out, please give it a like and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.